The municipality of Luna currently serves as a de facto capital of Apayao. It is where the provincial capital and national line agencies are located. It is 131 kilometers away from Tuguegarao City, or average of 2 hours and 17 minutes. Luna holds its Rambak ni Manalon Festival in July, where it displays the farming culture and products of the community, along with the conduct of various exciting events. When you visit Luna, don't miss the incredible Dupag Rock Formation in Barangay Marag, about 12.4 kilometer distance from the Municipal Hall, which is a cluster of spiked limestone perfect for clambering destinations. It is considered as the crowning glory of the town. You can also visit the famous Lusok Crystal Cave in the rocky slope of Barangay Dagupan, which features a hanging bridge and a clear underground river. Another destination you should include in your visit is the Bayugaw Falls in Barangay Turod. It has cool, refreshing water, a great scenic spot with 3-deck natural pools. It is a 6-layered waterfalls with one of the pools having a 10-meter depth, serving as a swimming pool. For lunch, go to Angkwan Bulaluhan at Liwliwa Street, San Isidro Sur, and have a taste of their local cuisine like the abrao with grated coconut flesh mixed with fresh water, crushed crabs or shrimps. Another is the pinalatan, which is thinly sliced intestines of pig deep fried with pomelo leaves. In the afternoon, stop by Papa's Peak Integrated Farm and feast on a variety of fruits or buy stunning ornamental plants. You may also meet Mrs. Susana Africano, a 78-year-old Isnag textile weaver, and bring home some of their popular locally woven clothing.
Naimbag nga malum tayo amin, maawis ti kayo amin nga umaigpasyar dito'y ili nga Luna para iti total nga tourism experience. No ti kayat yo ket adventure adda iti over ti Marag Valley, which is DJ Dupag Rock Formation. No ti kayat tayo ket nature adda iti Lusok Caves. No ti kayat tayo met ket culture adda mabalin tayo nga pasyaren ditoy Agta Village. Tapnon ti kasta ket mapadasan tayo met ti may immerse iti kultura dagiti kakabsat tayo nga agta. No ti kayat tayo ket agiyawid met kadigiti produkto iti Luna adda iti handicrafts nga aramid digiti kakabsat tayo nga agta, kasta met digiti abel nga kasla makita yo itatta nga aramid dagiti babaket ken marginalized women iti ili tayo nga Luna para iti complete ken total nga tourism experience umay kayo og pasyar kakabsat dito ili nga Luna.
Visit Apayao, Cordilleras' last nature frontier.